Okay, so this is my revision where I saw this right, and I just want to capture that there are transaction files and there are also server files. I can see. It would go to data, nugget and transform, right? I would first of all I would need to turn each of these into a connections in the Power Query. Each of these. Just close and load to only create connections. The same goes to product lookup. Some table range. Close and load to only create connection. Close and load to connections. Okay, good. So now we also load the transaction file, and we want to do some cleaning the data, messy data. Right? Let's go to transform, detect data type. Okay, and then go to home, remove rows, remove blank rows. Look at this, all blank rows. Okay, and then okay, good. Okay, go to this edit custom column. That goes here if equal to now. Or salesperson equal to now. Or salesperson equal to NT, then unknown else salesperson. So click OK. Right click, move to beginning. Right, drag this beside. Remove this item. Remove. Double click. Rename it as salesperson. Next, we go into deal with the region. Lookup. I go to merge query. Region. Go to region. Incorrect. OK. And then click on this here. Punch item. Click on this. OK. Right click. Move to the beginning. To beside 8. Right click, remove. Double click. Region. Now it's the merge query. Query product. Now we go to answer this. Again, correct. Right click. Move to the beginning. Drag it to here. Right click, remove. Next is the quantity. Some trimming or transform format trim. Somehow they need. Next is the this turn into whole number because this is decimal number. Then we also do the replace value. The need is here now value, change it to 0. Okay. Last is the payment status. Open Home tab, Powequery, payment status, status lookup. Click OK. Okay, index. Just move to next to it. This one payment remove, and this one double click. Change it to payment status. Okay, so next, kind of all remove rows, remove duplicates if there's any writing tables. Okay, next, go home, new source, file, folder, to locate the messy file. I put it somewhere here under messy. We go to remind this. The folder contains the folder file. Find transform. Here we choose the January file, transaction, click OK. Okay, right click on this source, we don't need this. Okay, so this is again those messy file for January. Okay, now again I click on this item. It contains what? Go to transform, detect data type. Okay. Sorry. You don't hear us. We go back to the transform sample file. Here, detect data type. And then follow home tab. Remove duplicate. Sorry, not remove duplicate. Remove blank rows. Oh, that is very strange. Because now, the now date. Remove blank rows. But now date. No date. Only something wrong with this data set. Okay, in that case, I just ignore the now item. Okay, so next, do the same. For 6%, go through the earlier step and bind to the transaction. Do again if person equals to now or 6% equal to now or 6% equal to then no. Else 6%. Click OK. Then right click, move to beginning. Drag this item to here. So now you can see that there are no 6%, we just wrong. Okay, right click, remove item, rename this to sales person, and the region, go to home, Powequery, region lookup, this, click OK. Click OK, right click, move to the beginning, here, double click. Hey, wait, move the earlier one first, then rename it to reach it. Okay, next one is the move for the product. Click, click to here and check this item, correct product, okay. Right click, move to the beginning. It is easier to do so. Just put it side by side. Here you can see that if you name it to the right column. So we just right click to move. So we click on this item. Okay, and then these two go to transform, cream, bam, this go to whole number, this go to decimal point, this one also. Okay, now we're going to change the replace the value. Now here's 0. Click OK. This change it to decimal point. Now we can deal with the last item. Which query payment status lookup. Click OK. Correct. Then drag it beside it. Right click. Remove. Double click. Change it to payment status. So it will be same as here. The name is the same here as payment status. Okay, now we go back to transactions. Okay, now at this point, let's just reload it. See what we get. Oh, not again. Let's see. The monthly report has some issue that can't get money update. There are rows that what is the error? You can't pass the input because there's a date 4, 5 something, but the errors look. I'll explain it. Can we just remove this line? Okay, wait. Okay, remove errors line. Let's see. Okay, anyway, this is another issue. I just recorded. It's supposed to, if it's correct, it has another step. It's a passing the state issue. Okay, now I have this kind of a D transaction. Last step is actually a pen. These two to transform sample file. Right, these two table. So this considers last year whole year data. The transform sample file will have all the file from the monthly updates. Okay. So here now there is an issue with the monthly update. We will deal with it later. But these are whole processes that is proven it works. Okay. Thank you. This is a revision I learned this morning. Thank you. I hope to see you again.